Welcome to day 3 of Memex Launch Week. There's an old saying, garbage in, garbage out. Well, it holds true for vibe coding too. The quality of outcomes is directly proportional to the quality of the prompting that goes in. But prompt engineering is a new paradigm. It's evolving every 3 months as AI models evolve, and it's costly to learn how to prompt engineer well. That's why I'm really excited to share our new planning mode. Now, some other vibe coding tools have planning modes too, but ours is different. It's built like an experienced technical product manager who will push back on your ideas where appropriate, guide you towards choices that will help set you up for success, help you think through trade-offs, and adopt best practices like scoping down your MVP and then iteratively making progress on it. What's more, our planning mode is opinionated towards solutions that will help get you to value fast. So while it can help you build across any tech stack, it will steer you towards technologies that will help you prove out the value as quickly as possible. Let's take a look at it in action. In this example, I asked Memex to create an AI content management system for producing social media posts in my voice. I gave it a simple description of what I wanted, and I also provided it with my OpenAI key stored securely in Memex's secrets manager. Memex decided to get started with some research first, and in this case, it searched the web. We're starting with a fresh project, so there's no existing code for it to research, but it can also research an existing codebase to extend a project with a new feature. After its research, it proposes a few different ways to approach this build with trade-offs for each. Instead of focusing on the technical details, it proposes different approaches from a user perspective with progressively more complex scopes. I opted for the first option it proposed, and it got to work creating a plan for me. And if you want, you can review the plan it creates before telling it to start building. The plan includes technical specifications. Now, Memex is fully general purpose, so it can build in whatever technology stack you want it to. But if you have no preferences on the tech stack, it will make those decisions for you to get you to a working version of your idea as quickly and efficiently as possible. Once the plan is created, you can work with the agent to refine it further, but in this example, we'll just jump straight into building. As Memex implements the plan, it will use tasks to keep track of its progress, which helps it stay more grounded and allows for more seamless progression through your project across conversations. In this example, Memex worked for about 10 minutes building and testing the full-stack AI app it created, and the result was a fully functional first version that allows me to prompt social media post ideas and get great posts back that use my voice. Now, this is just one example, but our planning mode can be used for other use cases too. So for example, if you have a data-heavy feature that requires domain research, like a TurboTax-like experience, you can use planning to gather and structure research before implementation. Or if you have a new big feature like adding billing to your app, you can plan it out before jumping into the build. Or say you're a product manager, you can use this to assess technical feasibility and prototype ideas that actually connect to and understand the constraints of your product's codebase. We're really excited to see what you build with it. All right, that's it for today's demo and updates. Make sure to follow us, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss our other announcements and demos tomorrow. See you then.